Look at page 6 and 7. This is an interesting recap of the political situation in the country. Also on page 6 here, it highlights the key grounds of the cases against President Uhuru Kenyatta's win in the repeat elections. And we have 3 petitions that have been filed at the Supreme Court to nullify President Uhuru Kenyatta's win. And what's interesting is that these 3 petitions seem to have a constant theme running through them, and that is malpractices allegedly committed by the Electoral Commission, IEBC. And IEBC, of course, has been listed as the first respondent in all 3 of these petitions, with Wafula Chebukati, the Commission's chairperson, being the second, and President Kenyatta as the 3rd respondent. And among the grounds that these petitions are listing is IEBC's failure to withdraw NASA presidential candidate Raila Odinga from the ballot paper after he withdrew from the ballot. They also argue that NASA leaders did not require to formally withdraw by filling a Form 24A, as there were no nominations, and that IEBC went ahead to use defective ballot papers by having names of candidates who legally withdrew from the contest. So it's going to be a make or break. On page 7 of the paper here, we see